Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making crispy flaky Khari Namkeen. With beautiful layers and a light crunchy texture, this snack is perfect with a hot cup of tea. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon ajwain, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon ghee. Ajwain adds a wonderful aroma and a unique savory flavor. Mix everything well until the ghee is evenly combined with the flour. Now gradually pour 1/3 cup of water and knead into a smooth dough. Knead a soft smooth dough for better layers. Rub a little oil over the dough. Cover it and let it rest. Now prepare the layering mixture. Combine 2 tablespoons of corn flour with 2 tablespoons of oil. Stir until you get a smooth slurry. Now divide the dough into 4 equal portions. Roll out one portion into a thin sheet. Spread a thin layer of the cornflour slurry. Place another roll sheet on top and spread more slurry. Layering the dough is the secret behind the crispy texture. Repeat the same process until all 4 layers are stacked. Khari is famous for its light flaky layers that melt in your mouth. Now fold the layered dough as shown and cover it for 5 minutes. After resting, gently roll the dough. Roll gently after folding to avoid flattering the layers. Cut the dough into your desired shape. Heat oil over medium heat and fry the pieces slowly until they become beautifully golden, crispy and perfectly flaky. Our crispy Khari Namkeen is ready. Every bite is flaky, crunchy and full of homemade goodness. Thank you for watching Oven Cake and Cookies. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies.